how to manage login items on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want more control over which apps open when you start your Mac? Then, managing login items can help speed up startup, reduce clutter, and improve performance. In this video, I'll show you how to manage login items on your MacBook. First things first, open up your system settings. Then you need to go to General. Scroll down and then click on login items and extensions. So there you can see open at login option. So to add a new app, you need to click the plus button and then you can see various applications here. So just click on the applications that you want to open automatically. So you can just select the apps, tap on command and select all the apps that you want to open automatically when you open up your MacBook. Just click on open. Now, all of these apps will open at startup. So you can also remove them if you don't want them. Just click on it and then tap on the minus and it will be removed. So you can do the same thing again, just use the plus minus button and after making changes, restart your Mac or sign out and sign back in to ensure everything works as expected. And that's how you manage login items on your Mac. Keeping this list organized can help your Mac start faster and run more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.